If you're supporting multiple clients on your own, you know how quickly things can get messy, with credentials everywhere, sessions getting mixed up, and too many windows open. In this video, we'll show you how Remote Desktop Manager Free helps you stay organized, avoid costly mistakes, and move between environments with confidence. Today's use case is one that many of us face every day: managing multiple client setups efficiently. We'll create clear boundaries between environments, reuse credentials safely, and speed up your routine using tools built right into RDM Free. So let's set it up together. We'll start by creating folders for each client, add sample RDP and SSH entries, and we'll look at a smart way to reuse credentials without duplication. Ready? Let's jump in. Since we're using the free edition of Remote Desktop Manager with the local data source, we're working with a single vault, which is perfect for most solo IT technicians. Instead of separating the clients with their respective vault, we'll simply use one vault and separate them with folders. If you ever need separate vaults for different clients or teams, that feature is available using Devolutions Hub Business Free, instead of using a local data source. Let's start by organizing everything into folders. It's simple, clean, and perfect for a single user setup. Go ahead and click Add New Entry, select Folder, and name it Client A. Then click Add to create it. Repeat the same process for Client B. Now let's add a few connection entries for each client. Inside the Client A folder, click Add New Entry, then select RDP. Now enter a name like Client A-RDP. Configure the host, then click Save. Next, click Add New Entry again. Click on SSH shell, fill in the name like Client A-SSH, enter the host, then click Add. Now repeat the same process under Client B, adding both RDP and SSH entries with their unique details. To save time and avoid repeating credentials, we'll create one credential entry per client and use inheritance so all connections share it automatically. Click Add New Entry, then go in the Credentials Management section, then click on Username Password. Now label it Client A-admin login, enter the credentials, then click Add. Then apply folder level inheritance. Right-click the Client A folder, then go in Properties. Now change the credentials method to linked vault. Select the Client A-admin login entry, then click Save. Now open both the RDP and the SSH entries for Client A. In each entry's properties, set the credential mode to inherited. Then confirm that both entries now use the shared login automatically. Next, let's document some client details. Click Add New Entry, then select the contact entry type. Enter a name, phone number, and even email address. Save it as Client A-contact. Then let's go ahead and add IT assets. Click Add New Entry, then go in IT Asset Management and select the asset type, Desktop. Name it Client A Desktop and enter the specifications. Then click Add. Repeat the same process for a printer or other assets as needed. In Client B, add a contact entry, a server asset, and a software license entry. Click Add New Entry, IT Asset Management, then click on Software License. Enter the license key, the expiration date, and any other important information. Then click Add. As your vault grows, use the quick search bar to find entries instantly. Type Client A-SSH and watch the results appear immediately. You can also filter by folder, entry type, or tags for even faster access. Using folders to organize clients' environments is simple and powerful. Try setting up a few folders, add test connections, credentials, contact info, and assets. It will transform the way you handle your client work. Faster, safer, and far more organized.